It's a cloud-based data warehouse. Okay, mainly for what? Mainly for data storage, data processing, and data analytics. Okay, now it's mainly for analytical solution. Okay, so this is mainly for OLAP or OLTP. Snowflake is mainly for what?
OLAP.
OLAP, online analytical
OLAP.
OLAP. Okay, so this is fine. Snowflake is a SaaS model. What is SaaS here?
Software as a service.
Software as a service. Okay, see, software as a service. So these are the basic points you should understand. It's a software as a service. What exactly it means? Tell me what exactly SaaS in the sense like this.
In software.
So no need to install any software or any hardware. So create account, try to work on it. Okay. Now, so this is fine. Okay, 1 second. So this is software as a service. Okay, so in a similar fashion, tell me Snowflake is mainly for data migration project. Tell me what exactly data migration project in the sense like, tell me. Tell me.
Moving data from one.
Okay, these are the basic point. Remember, okay, we are Snowflake developer. You should understand what is data migration project.
Moving data to existing.
Moving the data from one data source to Snowflake. Now, what are the data source? It can be Oracle database, SQL server, so Postgre, MySQL, Teradata, SAP, and remove. So if you put any resume or anything, if you go to any project, no, we should work on any database. So Oracle database, SQL server, Postgre, MySQL. So we want to move all this data to Snowflake. Tell me why company wants to move their data? What is the reason? Why they want to move? What's the purpose of moving to? So mainly for cost cutting purpose and the huge volumes. Okay, then so because of performance. Okay, so because of then performance is okay, security is there. Okay, and because of all these reasons, so company wants to move their data to Snowflake. And what type of data we are trying to migrate? The tables, the views, the procedures, and functions will be there. Okay, so these are the point. Remember, if you take any project now, we should work either on the tables part or the views part or the process part or the functions part. Okay, see, so as a part of Snowflake developer, so we should work the thing. Tell me what is the role we are going to apply? It says Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. And what the team members will have in a project? Okay, so you should know, because no, we will not work in individually. We'll work as a part, as a team. So it can be Snowflake developers, a developer team, admin team. So architect will be there. Then this guys, then what will there? Then so BA guys. Okay, so ETL developers. Okay, see then. So the team lead, the project manager, this all the guys will be there. Tell me daily what type of call we'll have? Daily we'll have what type of call? Scrum call. Okay, Scrum call. Scrum call will managed by which guy? The Scrum Master. Okay, so those are coming from non-IT background. No, these are important. The Scrum call, Scrum Master. Who will participate in the Scrum call? Okay, all the team members. Okay, how long it will? 3 to 4 hours. The Scrum call generally
15
to 20 minutes. Okay, see, daily at the starting. Okay, starting day or ending day, the project will be, the Scrum call will be there. Okay, so with the client also will be there sometime. Okay, so Scrum call, the Scrum Master will be there. Okay, this is fine. Now in a similar fashion, how the work will be done? How the work come to us? Work will come to us in a real-time project to ticketing tool. Okay, what ticketing tool will use mostly? Jira. Okay, so Jira. Okay, Scrum call. So Jira we will discuss mostly on the Jira tickets, that is user stories. So these are the basic points. So remember, so make sure Saturday, Sunday, those are coming from non-IT background, understand the Scrum call, what is ticketing tools, what is Agile methodology, okay, and what is waterfall model. So these are the points you should remember. Okay, see, as a part of any developer, we should understand what is Scrum call, what is Jira, what are user stories, what is Agile methodology, what is waterfall model. These are things you should aware. Okay, now same thing. Now come to today's topic. Tell me, how can I communicate with the Snowflake? Based on which concept? SQL. Okay, so SQL. So see, SQL, structured query language. Okay, see, structured. What are SQL commands we're having? DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, DQL, and DCL. So these are the points. Okay, see. So data. So these are the points you should remember. Okay, see. Go back here. So it's a detail is nothing but it's a data definition language. Okay. What about DML? It's a data manipulation language. Okay, see language. So these are called as basic building blocks of SQL. So remember, if you understand this thing, almost like 30 to 40% of SQL will be completed, because without this we can't able to go further. That's why it's called as basic building blocks of SQL. Data definition language, manipulation language. So see, transaction control language. Okay. What about DQL? It's a data retrieval or query language. Okay, see, query language. What is DCL? It's a data control language. Okay, see, definition, manipulation, transaction, retrieval or query language are data control language. So this is fine. Now we'll see step by step. Okay, so first we'll go for DL. We'll complete the same thing. It's a data definition language. Tell me in Snowflake what the detail commands we're having mostly. So create, alter and drop. In Snowflake perspective, truncate is a DML. Okay, see here. So create, alter and drop. So these are the commands will be there. So create is nothing but what? It is used to what? Purpose of this create statement?
To create a database object.
So it is used to create a new database objects. Tell me what are the database objects we'll create mostly? Okay, the schemas is a database object. Then database of the database object. Tell me then tables, views, sequences. Okay, see. Okay, metalized views, secure views. So procedures. Okay, UDF, user defined functions. Okay, see. So okay, so stages. So these are the database object. We'll see. Okay, as of now, we'll go for table. Tell me now how to create table. So it's a create table name. So table name. So bracket open, bracket close. Column 1. So data type. Column 2, data type. Okay, we'll see one more time. What is data type here? What is data type? What exactly data type is? Nothing but what? So remember, so these are the basic points. Tell me what is data type?
It might be a number.
Okay, it is used not but it is so which type of data we are storing in the particular column. Okay, see, suppose like I'm having, okay, see, suppose like numeric values are there. We should go for what? We can go for either number data type or what number only. We can go for int. We can go for float. Okay, same thing. Suppose like what happened? I want store. Okay, alphabets, alphanumeric, special character. We should go for what? We should go for varchar 2. Okay, then text. Then text. Okay, then string. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, same thing if you go for, okay, suppose like I want to go for date of birth, date of joining, data will go for, this is date data type, date time is there. So timestamp is there. There are so many things at this timestamp. Okay, suppose like I want to go for true or false. Okay, true or false, we should go for what? We should go for, so Boolean data type. In a similar fashion, in Snowflake, now we want to store the semi-structured data. Semi-structured data in the sense like what we can store, either JSON, XML, Avro, ORC. These are things can be stored in variant data. You'll see the same thing in Snowflake. See, if I want to store semi-structured data in Snowflake, we can go for variant data type. So number data type, varchar, so date, we can go for the same thing. You got the point? Yes, sir, no, getting the point, sir. Like this, you can able to make it. Okay. Now let me show you one use case. Okay, so tell me. So first I want to create simple table. Okay. Suppose let me take the use case. So I'll take in the COWIN application. One second. Okay, see 96. Okay, I'm giving the thing. Okay, now what happened? I want to create one member. Okay, see, suppose like I'm giving my basic details. Okay, we'll complete today SQL statement mostly. Okay, year of birth. So 2000. So photo ID proof, I'm giving Aadhaar card. Okay, see, I'm going for add. Okay, now what will happen? Tell me if I add, what will happen background? What will happen in background?
The data will be added in the rows and columns in the table.
In the okay, see, it's not table. Okay, table already there. Then record will be inserted. Okay, see. Okay, got the point. See. Okay, see, go back here. Now go back here. Now what happened? First we should create. Remember, first we should create one table. So create table. Tell me for this use case, what table name I can give?
COWIN underscore T.
COWIN registration.
Okay, COWIN underscore registration. Okay, now tell me how can you say it's a table? We should put what? Underscore
Underscore
T.
T.
It's a naming, it's a table. So bracket open, bracket close. Okay. Now see, name is what a type? Name is, it's a varchar. I'm putting 30. What is 30 here?
Data length.
Data size or data length. Okay, same thing. What about gender is what a type?
Varchar.
It's a varchar only, varchar. We'll see what difference varchar to later point of time. So gender. What about year of birth? Tell me, year of birth. It's a what a type? Okay, see. Tell me, can you have the spaces, huh?
No.
No.
No, what I should use? We should use underscore. We can go for underscore, or we can go for like this. Okay, it's a number data type. Okay, number data type. Okay, same thing in a similar fashion. Date of birth. So date of birth is what a type? Tell me.
Date.
Say date. Okay, see date. So date of birth. So date. Okay, same thing. So date of birth is there. Then photo ID. So it's all alphabets are there. We'll go for what? So photo ID. It's a varchar. Same thing. So photo. Okay. We'll go for photo value. Photo where okay, we'll go for it's a tell me it's a what data I should give?
Number.
Number. Suppose if I see now so suppose like other user, I want to go for passport. Passport is a combination of alphabets number, then number work it won't work. We should go for varchar. Okay, see varchar. Okay, so these are the columns. So this is fine. Now what happened? We should now tell me where we should execute all this statement. We should have one Snowflake account should be there. Tell me for Snowflake account, do we need to install any software or any hardware? Tell me.
No,
Because it's SaaS model. Okay, see, just to create account and we can enable that. Remember, Snowflake can be logged in with the help of 3 ways. One is Snowsite UI, Classic, Console, and SnowSQL. Okay, see SnowSQL. Okay, see Snowsite UI, Classic Console UI, SnowSQL CLI. What is UI abbreviation for UI is nothing but what? Tell me.
User interface.
User interface. It's also user interface. Okay, see user interface. So these are the basic points. Now see, so we are working in the Snowsite UI. So see, so this is the Snowsite UI we are working. Okay, so you got the point. See, okay, in the free edition, no, we don't have the classic console. Let me show you how the classic console will be. Like sometimes they'll ask, okay, we need UI working. Okay, see, so this is the, so we'll get classic console like this. If you click no classic console, it will navigate to the classic console. In the free edition, we can go for only Snowsite UI. Okay, if anybody asks anything to know, like what is the UI working, you can say I'll work on classic console as well as Snowsite. Okay, we'll have the access to classic console as well as Snowsite. Now this is what UI. It's a Snowsite UI. Okay, we'll see the CLI in Snowflake. Okay, see. Okay, so Snowsite user interface, classic console. What is CLI? It's a command line interface. Okay, see user interface. It's a CLI, command line interface. Okay, got the pointer. So this is the way. Okay, see. So we are working in the Snowsite UI. If anybody asks me into, okay, so which UI we are working? Snowsite UI working. Okay. Now what happened? Copy the same value. Okay. Now try to execute. Suppose like so it will be like this. Tell me where I should click to open the SQL worksheet. Tell me where you should work. Anybody tried at least creating account? So we can able to click here. Okay, you can click here SQL worksheet, or we can able to click the plus symbol SQL worksheet. Okay, so now try to paste. And what is the shortcut to execute? So you can able to execute here. And what is the shortcut? Control enter. Now see what's saying, cannot perform create table. This session doesn't have a database. Now what is saying, if you want to create any database object, compulsory should have one database and schema will be there. And remember, before that, tell me in real time, what are the environments we'll have? We'll have development, so testing, then UAT, okay, SIT, sandbox, depends on the company, sandbox, and production. Tell me if you work, if you have any work now, where you should work, in which environment? In the development environment. Now, first create one database. Okay, so tell me generally who will create the databases? Which guy?
Admin.
Admin. Snowflake admin will create the databases and schema. So create database name. Suppose like COWIN. So dev db. Okay, see, like this step by step we should visualize. Okay, what is the thing we need to work? Okay, so COWIN dev db. Same thing. Create schema name. What is the schema? We can go for COWIN SC. Okay, so database created, schema created. Now tell me, by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what is my schema name.
Current
Current is
underscore
Database.
database, current underscore.
Okay, I'll go for select
Current
current
database.
current schema.
Schema.
Okay, and what is my name? Current
User.
current user. Okay, see, these are the basic points you should understand. So database, so current database. So we are in dev db, dev SC schema, Praveen dbt. Now what happened in this database, in this schema, I want to find what list of tables. How to find list of tables?
Show tables.
Show tables. Okay, see, show tables. So these are the basic points, because now we need to work on this topic only. So show tables will you list of tables in this particular database. Now try to enter this thing. Okay, now see, it says, okay, see, so table COWIN registration is successfully created. Second time if you exit, it will work. Second time I'm using, it will work or not? Tell me.
It will
Second
not.
okay, it says object order. So in the sense like what, in the database, in the schema, one name should be given for only one object. So it will not work. It says object already exists with the same name. Now tell me, show tables will go list of tables. Okay. Now tell me, I want the list of columns. How to see list of columns?
Describe.
So describe table name. So table name. Okay. So these are the column names and these are the data type. These are the data size. Okay. Now I want to see the definition. Okay. I want to see the DDL. How to find? Select
Get DDL.
get underscore DDL. So bracket
Table.
open bracket close. So
name.
table, and we should
Table.
mention the table name. Okay. So these are the basic point I should remember. Okay. See. Okay, so this is the way we can able to make it done. Now I want to see the data. How to see the data? By using what command? By using DRL or DQL, that is data retrieval or data, that is select statement. Select star from our table name. Now see, it will give the table data. Okay, so as you know, no data is there. So this is fine. Now suppose like client is asking to add a new column. Suppose like he is asking to add a new column. How can I add? We should go for what concept? Alter. Okay, alter. So table. So table name, add
column name,
like
data
phone.
type.
I want to add phone. Phone is a number data type. Tell me, new column will be added at which position?
Last.
At the last. Okay, see, it will be added at the last. Okay, see, last. Okay, so this is fine. Suppose like client is asking, I don't want this table anymore. But then we should go for what? So see, drop table name. Now see, select statement work. Now it won't work because it says object does not exist. So see, it will be removed. Okay, so this is the way we need to do. Okay, so DDL completed. Okay, now see, I'll put the same thing. So far we discussed what? So DDL, so create, alter, and drop. Now whatever DRL, say select statement. Okay, so select statement. Now take the same thing. Now try to create one more time. Okay, so this is fine. Now how to see the data? By using select statement. So see, select star from our table name. So see, as of now, no records are there. See, no records are there. Okay. Now record is that what? Okay, this data, where is the data? This data I want to get into Snowflake table. How to get into Snowflake table? By using which concept? I want to populate this data. How can I populate the Snowflake table? By using what? Tell me, no idea. So see, we will go for DML concept. So DML. What are DMLs? So DMLs we're having, it's a data manipulation language. Okay, see this same. Okay, see, remember. So DDL functionality is what? It's a creation of new table, the structure we are trying to do. If you want to do any changes in the structure, you'll go for alter. If I want to remove the table, you'll go for drop. Now requirement is that what? I want to populate some data, or I want to modify some data, or I want to delete some data. Then you'll go for what? DML, data manipulation language. Tell me what are the commands we are having in the DML?
Insert, update,
Insert.
delete.
Okay, so insert, update, so delete, only delete that. Okay, so that's it.
Yes.
Select.
Merge is there, merge is. Select is a DRL. Okay, so date. Okay, so insert, update, delete, merge, and remember truncate is also DML in Snowflake. Okay, see insert, update, delete, merge, truncate. So these are the things. Okay, insert, update, delete, merge. Okay, see now go back here. Now I'm trying to execute one statement. So see, you perform this thing. We'll see later point of time. Alter session set auto commit equal to false. Okay, see, when you're executing any DL, try to execute. We'll see the same thing on Monday class. So as of now, so execute the same thing. Okay, this thing. Now what happened? Now try to insert. Okay, see, first statement is that what? Insert, update, delete, merge. What is insert will do? Tell me. Any idea? Anyone? Insert.
It will insert the row in the row into the table.
Okay, see, it will insert or populate a new record where in the what? In the
Table.
existing table in the existing database. So first database should be there, then schema should be there, then table should be there. So it will insert a new record in the existing table. Got the point? Huh? Yes, I'm getting the point, sir. It will insert new record in the existing table. What about, okay, see, we'll see the syntax. We'll go here. Okay. So insert, so step by step we should go. Okay, don't be in a hurry to learn everything. Okay, see, so go slowly. Okay, see, insert into table name, bracket open, bracket close. So column 1, okay, see, column 2, column 3. Okay, see, column 3. Okay, same thing. So values, so val1, val2, val3. Okay, got the point. See, so column 1, column 2, column 3. We are giving 3 columns, compulsory you 3 values. Now tell me it will work. Any idea, anyone? So it won't work because so how many columns we are populating, those many values we should give. Same thing, go back here. We'll see step by step. What are the columns we are having? So we are having these many columns. Okay, see, insert into table name is what? This is my table name. Okay, insert into table name. So what column? We'll go for name. Okay, we'll go for, so some columns only gender. Okay, or else like I'll go for year of birth. So I'll go for 2 columns only for understanding purpose. So 2 columns, I'm putting values. Okay, suppose I'm putting 2000. Tell me it work? Anyone?
No, it's
Why?
not. We mentioned 2 columns actually, but
okay,
we
see,
given data in 1 column.
Okay, so this is, see what happened. So see, it is 2 columns we are giving, but we are giving 1 value. Now see, remember, you should be in a position by seeing the error message. This is the issue. See, it's saying SQL compilation. So it's a compilation error throwing insert value list does not match column is expecting to but what. See, if you see complete error message, see insert value list. Okay, so insert value list expecting 2 but got 1. Okay, how many columns expecting? It's expecting 2 values, but it's giving only 1. Okay, so this is not correct. Okay, see, this is not correct. Same thing, go back here, copy the same value. Now one more time. Now I'm putting 2000 comma 3000. Now tell me it will work?
No.
Comma.
No.
Now it will work?
No.
No.
Now what is getting except error message? Tell me. Expecting 2 but got
3.
3. Okay, so 3. Okay, so see, error message will be expecting 2 but got 3. So this is no issues. Okay, so this is fine. So we should go same number of columns. So like see the same use case. Okay, one more time. I'll go here. Like this only you should do the understand. So error message. So you should see completely understand what is the issue. Okay, see now what happened? Name is there. Suppose what happened? I'm putting name. Suppose I'm putting. So suppose I'm putting. So P. Tell me it will work. So 2 columns, 2 values. It will work.
Till now.
No.
Why?
One is varchar and another one is number.
Now see, it says invalid endpoint. Now tell me, remember, so whenever using alphabets, alphanumeric, compulsory you should put in a single quote, single quote. See, this is important. Okay, see, whenever we are using any combination of, okay, alphabets, okay, or alphanumerics, or special characters, okay, or dates, compulsory what you should use? You should use single quote, single quote. Okay, got the point of single quote. So this is the thing. Okay, now see, put the semicolon. Okay, now see, so I'm putting P, P, and I'm putting PP. Now tell me it work, huh? 2 columns, 2 values, yes or no?
No,
Why?
both are varchar, but we have mentioned one is name is varchar and the year is number.
Now, how can you suppose like somebody create? How can you know? Suppose like this table is created by some guys. Okay, how can you prove?
I will show. I will see DDL.
Okay, so DDL. See, go not DDL. We can go for directly. Okay, DDL is fine. See what happened. First, see there are message. Okay, see it shows numeric value P is not. Suppose like I'm putting so PRAVEN. Okay, see Kumar. Okay, now see what happened. Now it says numeric value Kumar is not recognized. Kumar is at which position? Second column. Second column what? So issue with which column? Name or year of birth?
Year of birth.
Okay,
Yeah.
see first column it will take Praveen. Second column it will take Kumar. Now it's saying like numeric value Kumar is not recognized. So which column is having the issue? Issue with which column? Issue with year of birth column. Now how to see the same thing? Describe table name. Okay, like this only it should debug. Okay, go back here. So table name. Now what is the issue? Issue with which column? Year of birth. So year of birth is what data type? It's a number data type. But we mentioned what? We mentioned string. So in the same, now this is important. In number data type, okay, see data type, we should give only numbers only, numbers only. Other than numbers, if you get, it will put the numeric value, Kumar is not recognized. Suppose like if I put something, now tell me what we'll get? We'll get numeric value, KII is not recognized. Got the point? So this is the way. Okay, so if you get any numeric value issues, you should say it's a in number we're getting string value we're getting. Got the point? So like this, you need to understand. Clear suffer. So this is fine. No worries. Okay. Now copy the same value. Now try to rectify the same thing. Okay. Now suppose like I'm putting so both as okay, see 1, 2, 3, and I'm putting so year about 2000. Now tell me it will work or not? Anyone? Any idea?
No,
Tell me it will work.
it will work. It will not work.
Why will not work? Reason?
Varchar we have to give codes for varchar name.
No, tell me it will accept or not this one.
It will not accept.
It will not accept. Anyone?
It will accept.
Okay, see, remember. Okay, see. Now see what happened. Okay, okay, see, no, mute yourself. Okay, see. Now see, it is accepting. Why it's accepting in the sense like, see, remember, varchar is nothing but what? Variable character. It can be, it can accept only alphabets. Okay, only numbers. Or, okay, alphanumeric. Okay, or special characters. All things it will accept. Okay, point is that what you should understand here. So see, mute yourself. Okay. After mute yourself. Okay. Or like make earphones. See, now see here, it's a what? It's a character only. No, 1, 2, 3 is nothing but it's a character. It's a varchar. So X is a number. But what happened? Varchar is nothing but what can accept either number. It can accept any value. So it's remember. No. Okay. Suppose like if I put something like U, it will work or not? U.
No, it will work.
It will work. See, but what happened? It won't work. No, see, it's a string. String composition included with single quote. Single quote. Got the point? So Nicola, make use of earphones. Okay, see, this is fine. Okay, now see, it will work. Now it will work without any issues. Got the point? See, when you have special character or alphabet, suppose like I remove this value. Now I make in hash. It will work or not? It will work or not? It won't work because it's a symbol. We should put compulsory single. It's a string. Remember, it's a string. String compulsory included with single quote. Single quote. That's what's the point. Got the point? So clear so far. This is the way we can able to get it done. Okay, so this is point clear. So see, we should understand the error message. See, same columns and same values. Same data. If you have number, we should give only number value. If you have alphanumeric, compulsory should put in a single quote. Single quote. Got the point? So we'll see one more time. Okay, and close this topic. Okay, these are the simple only, but what happened? These are a little bit confusing. Okay, see. Okay, now suppose like what happened? I create one more table. Create, so table. So see, table name. Okay, so T1 ID. So mute yourself. So see, ID number. Okay, now see what happened? Table has been created successfully. Now see, we are in which, we are in what? We are in, suppose like this is my session 1. Okay, now we'll go for one more session. Now we are in which database? COWIN DevDB is COWIN schema. I'm opening one more session. So this is one session. This is other session. So this is important. Session 2. Now what happened? I want to get this database name, this schema name. How can I get this database name here? We should go for either COWIN DevDB dev schema, or else like we can go for what? We can go for COWIN DevDB dev schema, or else like what? Any other way? You can go for use database name. Okay, same thing. Use schema. Okay, these are the regularly used. Okay, because now we need to say there will be 20 to 30 database will be there in real time. Okay, so we should check the correct database and we should work accordingly. What the point of say database name, schema name. Now what happened? We are in this database. Okay, now tell me how is the list of tables? We should go for show tables. Okay, see, control enter. Now we are having which table? T1 table. How to see the databasing? Select statement. Select star from table 1. Okay, see, now how many columns are there? ID column. Same query, copy the same value. So we're in session 1. So we are in session 1. Now how many columns are there? Only one column. Now I want to add a new column. How to add a new column? How to add a new column?
Using
Alter command. Okay, see, alter table name, add name, column name, column name and data type. Okay, see, data type. Now see, new column has been added. Now how to see? We'll go for 2 columns. So this is in the current session. I perform alter statement. Now we'll have 2 columns. Now this is other session. Now the new column will be populated or not? Anyone? Any idea? New column will come or not?
No.
This is important. No, why no?
It is with the session, specific to the session.
So see, this is what command? DML or DDL? Alter is a
Alter is a DDL.
DDL won't reflect another session. Huh?
DDL.
Yes, tell me.
DDL.
Yes or no? No, see, okay. So these are the base. That's what. No, these basics are very, very important. So without this, called as basic building blocks of S. Without this, we can't able to process. See, control enter. Now see, we'll get the data because now what happened? So conclusion is that what? So this is very important. So DDLs are auto committable. So in a sense, like what? So once we execute any DDL statement, okay, see statement, the changes will be reflected in entire database or in entire sessions in other sessions also. Okay, got the point. Sessions also got them. So see, we are performing here, but what if suppose like see, I try to add one more column, name 1. Okay, now see, now see, we'll get one more new column will be added at the last because details are auto committable. Got the point? So clear so far? Now see, so try to execute this statement when you're performing. We'll see later point of time. This will be a little bit confusing. Order session set auto commit. We'll see later point of time. So see, equal to false. Okay. Now see, I try to add one more column, name 1. Now tell me new column will get a, so new column will get populated. Okay, so because details are auto committable. Now suppose like what happened? Now see, 4 columns are there. Now I try to insert one record. So insert into T1. Okay, see T1 under column name is ID. It's a what data type? Values, and I'm putting Praveen. Tell me it will work. So it says numeric value error. What is the issue? Because issue is what? What is the issue? What is the issue? You should say. Tell me. Okay, see in number data type we are populating varchar. So varchar won't work in the so number data type. Okay, now I'm putting 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now see, data is 1, 2, 3. Now what about the session? Tell me, we'll get what? Will data will come or not? Any idea, anyone?
Data will get.
Where will create? It's a DML, no? It will get.
Yeah, will get.
Okay, now see. Where it is not getting. Okay, reason is that what? So see, so because no, so DMLs are not auto committable. You'll see one more time on Monday also. Like see, DMLs are not auto committable in the sense like what? So once we perform any DML, okay, see, so we need to explicitly control this transaction. I'll explain detail. So see, remember, so DMLs are called as transactions. Okay, see, DMLs are called as transaction. The insert, it is one transaction. Now what happened? Whenever perform any DMLs, so these are not auto committable. We need to explicitly control this transaction. Tell me in SQL, how can I control the transaction by using what concept? What concept we're having? TCL is there. What is TCL? Say transaction control language. Like this, step by step we should learn. Okay, so see, first create database, create schema, create one table, create this. You see, said so DMLs are not auto committable. So DMLs are called as transaction. This transaction explicitly need to control with the help of TCL, that is transaction control language. Tell me what the commands we're having in TCL.
Commit,
So commit, okay.
rollback.
Rollback, okay, rollback. Okay, see, two only. Okay, so commit is nothing but what? Okay, it will save
Commit
the
change.
data permanently in where? In the database. Okay, see, it will save the data permanently in the database table. Okay, see, simple thing. Suppose like if I use control S, what is control S? Tell me what is control S?
Saving.
Where saving? In my? Tell me. Okay, see, I'm putting something like, say what? So it is saving data permanently. Suppose like what happened? Okay, I'll close this thing. Now try to open one more time. Okay, see, this is what assume it's a DR fetching the data. Suppose what happened? Okay, see, so let me commit this data. Okay, now we are in session 1. I commit data. Now see, data is not getting populated here. Now I try to commit the data. See, commit. We can able to commit anywhere. Commit in the entire session. Now what about see? Data will be coming here. So see, it will come here because no, we save the data permanently so that any user or any database can able to, any session can able to get the data. Suppose like if you're not able to understand, let me insert 100 record. Now see, 100 record will be available where? In my current session only. Now in the session data I will get only the only will get 1, 2, 3. But if I want to get 100, what I should do? I should control this transaction. How can I control this transaction? We'll go for commit. Got the point? Now see, data will be populated. Suppose like see the simple use case. Suppose like I try to insert one more record. Okay, see, one more record. Now what happened? Now we'll get how many records here? So 3 records will be populated. What about a session? Only the committed records, that is 2 records. Suppose like I don't want these changes anymore. Then why will you go for rollback? So rollback is nothing but see, we'll get some clarity. Okay, see, we'll get, so see, these 2 records already committed. If a rollback doesn't have any impact. Rollback is nothing but what the uncommitted changes will be revert back. Suppose if you're not able to understand. Now suppose like see we are on which line? So see, you are in 15th line. Now what happened? I click on this value, I put like this. Okay, now I try to close the same thing. Okay, see, now she's asking to save the data. Now if I put no, what happened? What happened? Tell me. What will happen? This will have records. So this last line, it won't be saved because what happened? We are asking not to save the data. Same concept. Now if I put commit is nothing but what? Data will be stored permanently. If I put rollback is nothing but what? The uncommitted changes will be reverted back. One more time. Now both will have two records. Now I am trying to add one more record. Now see, this is record. Now in this session we'll have how many records? 3 records. In the session, we'll have only the committed, that is 2 records will be available. Now suppose I go back here. Now see, now I try to commit. Commit in the sense like what? Data will be stored permanently so that other session also will have 3 record will get. Suppose like what happened now, I try to perform one more, and now see, I try to add 95 this value. Now what happened in the other session? We don't have this 956. So because this is not committed, it will be available only in the current session. Now suppose like this data, I don't want the uncommitted data, I don't want anymore. Now how to revert the changes? You should make a rollback. So rollback in the sense like what? This uncommitted changes only will be reverted back. It won't be saved in the database. Got the point? Clear so far? This is TCL. Remember, DDLs are auto committable in the sense like what? When you perform any changes, it will get automatically reflected all the in the entire database in the all the sessions. Suppose like when you perform DMLs are not auto committable. We should explicitly control this transaction. How can you control this transaction with the help of commit and roll? That is TCL. Got it? So clear so far? Yes, I'm getting it. We'll see one more time on Monday class also. We'll see. We'll get some clarity. Okay, so this is the way we can able to make it working. Okay, so DDL. So far what discussed? So one more time. Snowflake is a SaaS model. Okay, so SaaS model. How many ways we can able to log into Snowflake data warehouse with the help of Snowsite, then Classic Console and SnowSQL. Now this is what UI working. This is a Snowsite UI. Okay, see, it will be like this. Okay, first you should be comfortable with the UI. Suppose like I want to get this database, this schema. We can put 3 dots, set worksheet context. In this database, in this schema, I want to see list of tables. Tell me how to see list of tables. List of tables. Show tables will be there. Show tables will be there. Show table will give list of tables. Suppose like I want to see. So suppose like, so see here. You should understand this thing. Okay, see. Here symbol is there. So this is what type of say shared database. It's a shared database. This share symbol is there. It's a shared. So this is we create the databases. Okay, databases. Suppose like what happen? I want to get this database, this schema. We can go for like this. We can go for drop down, or we'll go for use database name. Use schema name will be. So create multiple database, development database, testing database, UAT database. Okay, mostly work in development database. Okay. Now what happened in this database, in this schema, I want to go for show tables. Okay. Now I will go for show columns also it work. But what happened? Show columns will give all the columns. Okay. See, it is giving COWIN registration table. We can, but if I want to get only one table, we'll go for describe table name. So table name. Okay. So table name. So see, like this way, you can able to make it working. Got the point? So clear so far? So this is fine. Now same thing, I want to find the definition or the DDL. Go for select get DDL. Okay, so once you're comfortable, try to do all the things daily. Okay, creating the tables, creating the schemas. Okay, see, we should mention table and pass the table name. Okay, now I want to see the data by using select statement. Select the star from our table name. Got the point? Like this way, you can able to get it. Clear so far? So you should do now tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name, what is my schema name, and what is my tell me username. By using select
Current underscore database.
Current underscore database. Okay, see database. Okay, see current underscore schema. Okay, see schema. Okay, same thing. Current underscore user. Okay, see you can able to get all the things. Okay, say like this way. Got the pointer? So this is fine. Now see here what happened. Now here what here? Here one column is there, date of birth column. It's a what data type? How to confirm? You go for date of birth is a date column. Now how to insert date? Tell me. So insert into our table name. I am going for only date of birth column. I am going for values. Okay. Now tell me how to insert date. Anybody any idea? Date column. Tell me date column. Anybody knows? Okay, see.
DDMMYY.
So DD is what? So it's suppose like 0727. Okay, so 00. Suppose like I'm putting. So 21. Okay, so 02. So 2000. Okay, now see. Now what's saying? Expression type does not match column data type. Expecting D, but what's saying? Tell me. Simple thing only.
Here.
Anybody? What exactly saying? No, not here. It's a what? Tell me. Anybody can I will tell? Expression type does not match column data type. So see, this is not matching. Okay, see, they want what they're expecting date. So this is date column, but got number. Why it's getting number? Anybody tell me? Because now what? So what's doing? Is doing what? Is doing minus. No, got the point? Okay, so got the point. Okay, see, mute itself. Okay, so this is what Snowflake is doing. What? It's doing operation. See what operation? See 21 minus 02 minus 2000. It's giving what? It's giving one number. Okay. Now how to make it a string? How to make it a string? We should put single quote. No. Now tell me this is number or string. Now Snowflake assuming 21 minus 02 minus it's as a number. Now it's not a number. It's a date. How to make it a date? We should put in a single quote. Single quote. Got the point? Now it assumes as a date. Okay. Now see. Now what's saying? Tell me. So date is not recognized. What exactly? Anybody can tell? Anybody?
Format issue.
Okay, so format issue. What is the format issue? See, it's saying so it's a date is so it is not able to. So Snowflake is not able to understand this format. Okay. Now Snowflake what format understood? See, select current date. Now see, if you see here now what happened? It's taking what format? It's a 2024-067. What is this format? This format is what? It's a YYY DD. Now what format we given? We given DD YY. Snowflake not able to understand this format. Now what format to understand? So YY and DD. Now see the same use case. Like okay, see copy the same. Like this only you should learn. Okay, see go back here. So it's a what? Say okay. See 2024. Today's what? So 0607. Okay. So for understanding purpose, I'll put so bigger value. Okay, see. It's taking a number of. Now, how many columns are there in my table? There are 5 columns are there, but we are populating 1 column. Remaining columns by default, what will get populated? Remaining columns?
Null.
Null. So we'll see null separately. Okay, see. So there. So see what happened in my table. Okay, so put semicolon for all the statements. Semicolon. Now see name, gender. So we are having so many columns, but we are populating only data. But so remaining columns will have null value will be populated. So format recognize it's a YY, and a DD format it will recognize. Got the pointer? So like this, you should learn. Okay, see, this is the thing. Okay, got the pointer? Okay, so far, so this is fine. Okay. Now tell me this record will be available in other session. Huh? This record. So new record we are populating now. It will be available in other session. Yes or no? It will be there or not?
No.
No. Why? Because so this is DML. We should explicitly commit
DML.
so that data will be available in
DML.
all the sessions. All the sessions. Now this the date column will be populated here. Got the pointer like this? See. So step by step in remember in number we should get only number. In varchar we can have numbers also, alphanumeric also. We can have anything. In the date format now we should use single quote. If I don't put now what happened? Tell me. If I put like this, what happened? Snowflake assuming as it's a number 2024 minus it's suppose let's see. Now what will give? It will give what? Output as it will give around 2000, around 1900. Okay, see 9. Okay. Now we should make as single quote. Now it's a what? It's a date. It will assume as date. Got the point. So Snowflake, if I put like this, now what happened? It will subtract the things. It will give output. If I put like this, we can able to get it. Got the point. So clear so far? Like this only we should learn. Okay, see this is fine. Okay. Now same thing one more time. Yeah, we'll see one more time on Monday also. Now what happened? So create table. So T1, 1. Tell me T1 will look. It says, okay, see, already exists. So what is the issue? So name is already there. Okay, we should not use the same thing. Okay, you can give different name. So create. So table. Suppose like test1. Okay, I'm putting. Okay, see, I1 varchar. Okay. I2, we'll see what is the varchar2. I'm giving varchar2. Same thing, I3, I'm putting text. Okay, I4, I'm giving string. I5, I'm giving char. Now see, Snowflake supports varchar2, text string char. Now how to check that list of columns? Tell me, how can I check the list of columns in my database?
Describe table.
Describe table name. So see describe table name. Okay, see you will get some clarity. Now what's taking? See, okay, I'm giving I1 varchar2 text. What it internally converting into what? To varchar only. Got the pointer? So clear support. So see remember Snowflake is mainly for data migration. Data migration in the sense like what? Tell me in in Oracle database. Okay, see, if I try to create a table, so create table, so test. Now what happened? So see, now see ID, I am putting varchar here. Composite size need to mention. Now it's working. Now what happened in some database? It will be varchar. If I go for some database, now what happened? It supports different databases. See, but what happened? Snowflake supports varchar, varchar to text string char, but it will convert into varchar. These are the synonyms. So Snowflake supports varchar, varchar to text string char, but internally convert all this into varchar only. Varchar only. Got it? This is important. Clear so far? So because now Snowflake, we need to migrate from Oracle database, Postgre database. Okay, all this. That's why. So see, in different database, we'll have different data type. But what happened? Snowflake support all the things. Okay. But what happened? All the things. But what happened? Internally convert into varchar only. Got the point? Clear so far? This is one of the thing. Okay. We can able to give anything. We can go for varchar, varchar to text. All things we can go for. Okay. Same thing one more time. I'm trying to create, so table ID number, same thing, ID 1 number 10. Okay, now see, now how many columns it created? How to see? We should go for describe table, so T23. Okay, T23. Okay, now see, now if it, so remember, if you don't give any value, now what happens? Take default as 38, 0, 38, 0. Got the point? If you give value, it will be, so here, so you see, these are the column names, data size. So these are the data type, data size. If you don't give mention any value, take the default of 38. So this is important. If you don't give any value, take default as 38 as the data size. Same thing we'll try to create for varchar also. Create table, so T5 I1 varchar. Okay, I2 varchar. So this is question recently they're asking. See, 40. Now here 40 is nothing but what? It's a data length. Now how is the list of columns? So describe table, so T5. Now see. Okay, see, if I give now what is taking 40. If I don't know what is taking this much value, anybody knows this much? What is this value? Anybody knows? So this is, so select 16. It will support 16 MB. Tell me 1 MB is nothing but what? Say 1024 kilobytes. 1 kilobyte is nothing but what? 1024 bytes. Same thing, same concept. See, 16 into 1024 into 1024. Okay, see, it's giving the same value. So in the sense like what? If you don't give any value, take default size as 16 MB. 16 MB. Got the point? Okay, see. So here point is that what? If you don't give any size for number, take as default as 38, 0. Okay. What about for varchar? Take 16 MB as the thing. Clear so far? These are the some intro questions they'll ask the basic thing. Okay, see, if I don't give any size for number, it'll give 38, 0. Same thing for varchar, say 16 MB, 16 MB it will give. Clear so far? Yes, getting up? Okay, like this way, we can able to make it working. Okay. So it's getting a little bit. Yes or no? So these are the points. Okay, see, these are the basic points. As a Snowflake developer, we should learn. Okay, so because so we need to migrate our tables or the views or the procedures or the functions from different database and put into Snowflake. Okay. Now your task is for Saturday, Sunday. I'll try to give one task. Okay. Okay, see, this is the thing. So we are data migration project. My data source is Oracle database. Okay, see, remember what I said in the first class. So we're having the phases will be there. How many phases will be there? We'll have how many phases? We'll have 3 phases will be there. Okay, see, mostly 3 only. So phase 1, it's a tables. Phase 2, it's a what? Views will be there. Okay. Okay, so phase 3.
Functions and positions.
So it will be functions and procedures. Okay, so procedure. Okay, see, tables, so views, functions and procedures, we can able to get it done. Okay, now in the first phase, suppose like my company, okay, Oracle database, this is data migration from Oracle. They want to move to Snowflake. Now what is, daily will have scrum call will be there. In the scrum call, we'll have sprint will be there. Sprint is nothing but what? So big project or big modules big project, we are dividing into small pieces. Okay, small pieces. Okay, so are small modules. Okay, now what happens? Say in the sprint, is nothing but what there will be 2 to 4 weeks of this. So 2 weeks of sprint will be there. In the 2 weeks, our work will be assigned or given. Okay, suppose like go back here. So May June 3rd. I'll explain one more time. We'll get some clarity. Okay, see. So June 3rd. So June 14th. Okay. So June 14th. Okay. Now what happened? See, so my company was asking to move our data to Snowflake. Okay, see, my data source is Oracle database. In the first phase, what exactly we try to migrate? The tables. So we'll have the sprints will be there. Okay, 2 weeks of sprint. In the 2 weeks, no, they'll given some work. We should work on that task. Okay, see. So June 3rd to June 4th. This is called a sprint. Sprint will be there. Now see, Scrum Master, Scrum Call, team members, all the developers, testers, all, because we are following Agile methodology. Now see, sprint planning will be there. Now what happened? So see, my data is there in Oracle database. This data I want to create in Snowflake. So see what happened? We should create the same table in Snowflake. Now tell me, how can I create this table in Snowflake? We should use create statement. How to get this data? We should go for insert statement. So create, insert, and commit. So see, your task is to create country table and insert some data. Same thing, create state table, insert some data. Same thing, so create district table, insert some data. In a similar fashion, now requirement is that what, okay, see, the client wants to have the proper naming convention. So by mistakenly I create 2 is, but I want to get singly. And how to change the definition? By using what command?
Alter table.
Alter table and rename concept we should use. Same thing, search in Google if not able to follow. Same thing, now what happened? Here also what? So they want to change the table name to country underscore T, states underscore T. How can I get? Which concept? Okay, how to change the table names? It's also alter and rename. Got the point? See, if you're able to know what happened, okay, SQL concepts will be covered. Okay, see, one more time what happened? You should do in the Saturday, Sundays. So create one database, one schema, create country table with the help of create statement, insert some data with the help of DML, commit the data, then by using select statement. So see, same data, if it is uppercase, if it's so same data we should replicate, because so we should give this data to the client. Same thing, assume, so it's uppercase, remaining a small case. Okay, so same thing, create states table, district table, and we can go for, and we should do some alteration. Okay, got the point? Like this, you can able to make it work. Okay, so make use of Saturday, Sunday, work on this particular topic.